Yeah, I got new goggles and 33 grams of fun.
Got the first still day in a very long time, so I'm going to try something a bit different. I'm out in the front yard and I'm going to fly the red pepper, as I think of it, with its set of VR6 Ishin goggles, and I'm going to record it with this old Sanyo, and I'll also be having the transmission coming up on the screen that came with the Bug 6, so hopefully that should be a way to record the flight. And the objective this morning, if I get it right, is to fly through that arch, so it should be fairly straightforward, so wish me luck.
So if you probably guessed, it didn't work out too well. Here's the remains of that red pepper, and beside it there's a Santa drone or E011 that I've moved the camera across to, and that was the goggles and the controller I was using. Now here's another E011 with a tiny camera on it. There's the jumper universal transmitter that gives you much more control over how I fly, and the latest addition to the flying circus, the Aomway goggles with diversity. So, and there's the little drone, and here's where the 33 grams comes in. So I started off with a few flights indoors just to get a feel of it, and I went from there. So enjoy.